Today I'm going to show you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It is one of the simpler Rubik's Cubes, and I will be using the Moyu's Lingpo 2x2, which I feel is the best. Today's tutorial is quite simple and the algorithms will be in the description below. Okay, so what you're going to start off with is you're going to scramble your 2x2 any way you like. Okay, once you've scrambled it, you're going to look for any white piece on the Rubik's Cube. I'm going to pick this one. So on my piece, you always want the white piece facing up so that you hold it like this. Before we start, there is something else I need to tell you, which is cube notation. This will help you to read algorithms. It is not too hard to learn. So, okay, the start of it is the letter R. So you're holding it like this, and it's the right face going clockwise. So R. Those are all R's. Then L, which is the left face going clockwise. L. Okay. Then U, which is the top face, the up face going clockwise. So those are all U's. Then down, D, which is the down face going clockwise. Those are all D's. Then front face, which is F, going clockwise. Then B, which is the back face, going clockwise. So now that you know the notation, there are other notations which have primes in them, and in an algorithm it will just be a dash next to the letter. So say we got R prime, it would be the right face, but instead of clockwise it's going to be anti-clockwise. So if that's our right face, we want to go anti-clockwise this time. And the same for the rest. So on the left face, L prime would be left face going anti-clockwise. And then same for the front face, the back face, the up face and the down face. It's all the same. So now we're going to start to solve the cube. So what we've done after we've found a white piece facing up is we want to look for another white piece that has either blue or orange on. So let's just look at the cube. Here we have one, it has orange and green on. So we'll move it to orange, and we know that it needs to go there. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it like this, so that the white is at the top and the white piece facing at you. Then we're going to look at the mini piece that the white piece is on, and we're going to look on what side it is on. So it's on the left hand side. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it left, bring where it's going to go down, then move it right and bring it back up. Okay, now we've got two white and two orange. Then we're going to look for a piece which has white and either green or blue on it. So there's one, it has green on it, white's at the bottom. Just move it over to where we had the green. And now you'll notice that our white is on the bottom of the mini cube. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend it's where our red piece is, and we're going to do the same as last time. So we move it to the left, bring where we want it to go down, move it back, and then bring it back up. So now it's in the wrong position, but we'll fix that. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend this piece, which is not the piece we were using, that's the piece we were using, we're going to do that move on it again. So move it left, bring it down, move it back over and bring it up. So then what we've done is we've taken the piece that was up there and we've moved it down so that it's in the right position. So we do it one more time. So we move it left, bring it down, move it back and bring it up. And then we've got 3. So then the last piece left should have white, blue and red on it. And here it is. So we're going to move it over, and this time we see it's on the right hand side of the mini cube. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it right, bring where we want it down, move it back and bring it up. Okay. So now we've got the whole white face done and they're all correctly together. So once we've got this, we're going to turn the cube over so that the yellow face is up, and you can tell it's the yellow face because we have white, green, orange, blue and red, all the colours on the cube except for yellow, so that's going to be the yellow. So what we're going to do first, well, we're just going to keep on repeating a specific algorithm, and you may not have none on the top. You may have either 1 or 2, or 2 that are diagonal from each other. So if you have the 1, you want it always in the left, so you want it here. If you have 2, you want it in the right. And if you have the diagonal, it doesn't matter where it is. So the algorithm we're going to repeat is going to be R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. U2 is when you move U twice. Okay, so now we've got 2, so we want it in the right hand side. Then we're going to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So we're going to do it again. We're just gonna repeat this algorithm over until we have 1. Okay. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. We've got 2, so we put it in the right. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now we've got 1, and that's good news. So we're going to move it to the left, so the bottom left. And then we're going to do the algorithm twice more. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. We have 1, so move it to the left. And then we realise whenever you have yellow facing up and yellow facing towards you on the right, so exactly like this, you just need to do the algorithm 1 more time and the whole of the white top will be done. Okay, so we're going to do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And actually we've got a skip here, which is nice, but not what you may have. So I'm just going to get it to probably where you'd have it. So you'll probably have it here, where the yellow face has just been done, and you have a bar of it, a bar of a particular colour. So what you're going to do is move that bar over so that you complete a side, so that you have white, your particular side, and the yellow at the top. Once you have a side, you're going to move it to the back so that you can't see it. So that if you move it right, there it is, and there, and you can't see it. So just holding it like this. And we're going to do another algorithm. This algorithm is different. So R prime, F, R prime, back to R, F prime, R prime, back to, right to, and then our cube is solved. So you may have had, once we just finished our RU, R prime U, RU to R prime algorithm, and we just had the yellow face done, you may not have had a bar at the top where you could just easily put it in and finish your face. You may have had an orange, red, blue, green, red, orange, green, blue. And that's fine, it doesn't matter where you put those. You just do that algorithm which I just showed, and then you do it twice instead of one time. And that concludes today's tutorial. Now you know how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube.